Samantala, bilang bahagi ng pagdiriwang ng Disability and Prevention Month ngayong Hulyo, isang exhibit ang inilunsad sa Malacanang Museum. Gawa ito ng 17 mga handy-capable artist na miyembro ng Earth Savers UNESCO Dream Center na pinamumunuan ni Cecil Guidote Alvarez. Gamit ang kanilang talento, ipinakita nila ang 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Ayon kay Alvarez, malaki ang pasasalamat nila kay Pangulong Duterte, lalo na nang banggitin nito sa kanyang inaugural speech ang gagawing pagkalinga sa mga mamamayang mahirap at may kapansanan. Naging kinatawan ni Pangulong Duterte sa programa si Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo. Bukas ang exhibit sa publiko hanggang sa July 29.
It's such a strong face to make vivid what he said. You know, my government is for the hopeless and the helpless. And he's been stressing, and that's what we've been screaming for, honest to goodness, inclusive growth. Yung tunay na walang naiiwanan, you really embrace those who are most in need. And here, you really see the capability of persons with disabilities who we don't call that. We call them handy-capable.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.